So recently, Kevin and I got a new used car. And today I spent a couple minutes putting everything, all the details in under my roof. It came with a 2-year warranty. So that document I was able to scan in really quickly and then shred it, get rid of that paper clutter. And then it comes with 2 years of free maintenance for oil changes and tire rotations. So I set up 2 maintenance tasks and we'll get notifications for those so we don't miss out on that. I've got all the details, everything I could possibly need associated with the car and under my roof, including a copy of the insurance card to prove it's covered, everything, all the documents easily scanned in. All this took a few minutes. So we are super organized, have everything ready, and we're on top of it.